Neckalce Bracelet Clasp supplies Handmade Fastener Carabiner screw clasps access. Neckalce Bracelet Clasp supplies Handmade Fastener Carabiner screw clasps accessories for luxury needlework DIY jewelry making. Overview. Necklace and bracelet clasps are essential supplies for jewelry making. They come in a variety of styles, including lobster claws, spring rings, and toggle clasps. Each type of clasp has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the right one for your project. Carabiner screw clasps. Carabiner screw clasps are a popular choice for jewelry makers because they are strong and secure. They are also easy to use, and they can be opened and closed with just one hand. Carabiner screw clasps are available in a variety of sizes, so you can choose the one that best fits your project. They are also available in a variety of colors, so you can match them to your other jewelry supplies. How to use carabiner screw clasps. To use a carabiner screw clasp, first thread the ends of your jewelry wire through the holes in the clasp. Then, tighten the screw to secure the clasp in place. Carabiner screw clasps are a versatile option for jewelry makers. They can be used to create a variety of different jewelry pieces, including necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Benefits of using carabiner screw clasps. Asterisk strong and secure. Asterisk easy to use. Asterisk available in a variety of sizes and colors. Asterisk versatile. Where to buy carabiner screw clasps. Carabiner screw clasps are available for purchase online and at craft stores. Pricing. Carabiner screw clasps are typically priced between 50 cents and $2 per piece. Conclusion. Carabiner screw clasps are a great choice for jewelry makers of all skill levels. They are strong, secure, easy to use, and available in a variety of sizes and colors.